Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are starting our second week of our 2025 Advent calendar with day number 8. I can't believe we've already gone through a full week. I am going to be doing some creating soon with the items in the Advent calendar. I've had a crazy week with all of the excitement of our Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales and everything that goes along with that, and fulfilling all the orders, which we're very grateful for. So I will be doing some creating soon. So thanks for your patience for that. Without further ado, let's see what day number 8 has in store for us. Let's take a look. Okay, here we have our bag, day number 8. I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh, check it out. We have got some really fun dies here. Let's pull them all out and take a look at what we've got. So first off, we've got like a big little zigzag stitched edge square. And then we've got a plain square that kind of layers in the center of that. That's fun. So you can have like a layered look there. And then we've got little different size little banner dies. You can face them either direction, whichever direction you like. Different widths, different lengths. And I made these to coordinate with the sentiments that are in the flower stamps that we received, as well as you can use them with all your different stamp sets that you have in your stash. So this is a great little just card making layering die set with some little banners. You could also cut cardstock or pattern papers out of these little flags and use them as accents on your card. You know, put them up and down or sideways. They're always fun to have in your stash for creating little accents, as well as using for your sentiments. Thanks so much again for joining me today for opening day number 8 of our Advent calendar for 2025. I hope you've enjoyed the first week and enjoying day number 8 and heading into the second week with some excitement of what's to come. I'll see you again tomorrow for day number 9. Until then, keep living the creative life.